I'm Jo from E&S Computers, and today we are unboxing the Palit Game Pro GeForce RTX 3070. We've got this in for a custom build we're doing for a customer. They just wanted the basics. They didn't want a drive put in. They've got drives themselves because they use it as a multi-system hot swappable, so they're going to do all that themselves. But this is a graphics card that he requested, so here we go with the unboxing. So let me open this. There we go. Now this is a 8 gig card and it is 1500 megahertz. You can get it out of the box, and it will boost clock to 1725. Now the maximum resolution you will get from this card is a 7680 by 4320. So we've got the user manual there. So we'll put that to one side, and we've also got a nice little calendar. I will pinch that for my office. Let me move this over here so you can still see. So let's take this out and have a look. So as you can see, we have got a nice packaging, and we've got an adapter as well, so we can connect it up to the power supply if the power supply doesn't have enough. And let's take enough power. Let's take this out of the box. So it's a fairly heavy card, but for the money, then definitely should be. Let's open this up and show you. Move that down there. So it's a really nice card. You've got the 3 fans on there to keep it nice and cool. And you've got the vents there, as you can see. You've got your connectors on here, which if you don't have a power supply that has these connectors on, then you would use that. And say you need at least a 650 watt PSU to run this card. If it's anything less, it's not going to work. Connectors wise, you've got 3 display ports and a HDMI on there. And as most people that are using this obviously for gaming, they're going to use HDMI. So we're seeing less and less of the VGA and the DVI only on the lower end cards now. So this does light up, so we will show you that in a YouTube short once we've done the build. And hit like, hit subscribe. Any comments, any questions, please let us know, and come back and watch future videos. Thank you. I'm Jo, and this is E&S Computers. Hi, we thought we'd unbox the motherboard that we're going to be using with the graphics card. So here we go, let's unbox. So here we have plenty of cardboard packaging, and we've got the Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi board. I'll pop that over there. I think that's going to be more of a high-end thing with the Wi-Fi. Pop that there. We've got the usual SATA cables in there as well, and the cushioning for the M.2s, and there's 2 M.2 screws in there because this board has 2 M.2 slots. And we also have what other goodies have they put in. We have the user guide, but they're not as good as they used to be. We've got the driver's disc, certificate of reliability, obviously some stickers because it is a gaming board, and just some technical updates. Let's put those back in there. Okay, so let's look at the board. So it's a fairly weighty board. I think the graphics card is heavier. So let's take this out on there. So we have got, as I said, we have got the 2 M.2 slots on here. And we've got 6 SATA ports. And then on the back you can see it does have HDMI and display port, not that we'll be using them obviously because we've got the graphics card. And you've got the screws here where you screw in your Wi-Fi, and you've got audio, you've got optical as well, and 2 USB 3s, and you've got 3 USB 2s, and you've got a USB-C port on here as well. So, and obviously the Ethernet port, but obviously we're going to be using the Wi-Fi. So it takes up to 128 gig of RAM, and you've got the 4 slots there. We're putting 4 16 gigs on this board for now, but customer can upgrade in the future should they wish to. But so that's about it. So we're going to go on and we're going to do the build now, which is going to be another video. So hit like, hit subscribe, any comments we will reply, and thanks for watching.